Goeiedag, good day. Ek hoop alles gaan goed. I hope you are well. Vandag se woorde wat ons gaan oefen hou verband met die tema vorms. Today's words we're going to practice relates to the theme shapes. Nou, ek gaan die woorde 2 keer sê en as ek die woord gesê het, herhaal jy dit. I'm going to say the words twice and each time you say the word after me. Are you ready? Okay. Cirkel, vierkant, driehoek, hart, ster. Baie mooi. Well done. We're going to practice it one more time. Are you ready? Okay. Cirkel, vierkant, driehoek, hart, ster. Baie dankie. Thank you so much. En ek hoop jy het 'n lekker dag verder. Totsiens.